You want to upgrade your toolbox, but you're not sure what tools will give you the most bang for your buck? In that case, this video will help you get rid of your headache. And here are the 10 best garage tools you should buy. Let's get right into it, shall we? Before we continue, kindly hit the notification button to be notified when next I post new videos. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 10. The Car Bench UL300. This has to be one of the largest and baddest car benches we've ever seen. Not only is it fully adjustable, but it also has a load capacity of 7,700 pounds. This means that any car placed on top of the car bench UL300 will be able to lift it. It even has a 360-degree pulling radius. In terms of maneuverability, this thing has a 220-volt battery and a very powerful body that can lift even the heaviest of vehicles. The only thing you'll need to do is drive your car over the UL300 and extend the 4 arms on each side of the tool, then place the protective cups right on the extended arms and right on the edge of the car. Once you know the car is secure, start slowly lifting it by pressing on the pump with the pedal. If you think the tool is not as advertised, you also get a 12-month warranty, so your money's pretty much safe. Number 9. Cool Box. This is not a toolbox, but rather a cool box. Why the name? Because this item will perfectly suit the requirements of any modern-day homeowner. It's the most technologically advanced toolbox available. There are 2 USB charging ports on it, a LED strip that allows you to see in the dark, and a Bluetooth speaker that connects to your phone. A small whiteboard on the lid's underside. It even has a large battery inlet and the outlet for a power drill or whatever you want to use it for. Moving it around is easy because it has wheels and sturdy handles, and if you're tired of losing small screws, there's a magnetic pad on the top of the lid, and it even includes an iPad stand. Number 8. The Kobe Garden Robot. It's appropriately referred to as the gardening robot for all seasons. This electric and self-propelled lawnmower comes with 3 attachments. All 3 are unique, and they're designed to clean your backyard in 3 distinct ways. Before you begin the automation, we'll need to obtain a digital map of the area it will maintain. It also has built-in safety sensors to keep it from colliding with anything in your backyard. After you set it up, the Kobe will stay connected to the internet and smash that like button just like you would if you hadn't already. But it will know what the weather is like outside. This will assist it in determining when to go outside and begin cleaning while you sit at home sipping coffee and scrolling through social media. Speaking of the 3 modules, it has one for removing snow, another for mowing the lawn, and a third for removing leaves from your backyard. Don't worry about Kobe smashing into the walls because the robot is autonomous. It has a top speed of 2 miles per hour, and yes, once the battery runs out, the Kobe will find its way back to the charging station all on its own. Number 7. Human Hoist. The company behind the Human Hoist is Personal Positioning Technologies. This is the chair that quickly transforms into a mechanical creeper. You can use it as a desk chair and then slide underneath the car to work on it by simply pressing the lever. And the Human Hoist will fall flat to the ground in a matter of seconds. Because of the all-metal construction, this chair can support a lot of weight, and on a single charge, it will last you an entire day in the garage. Before you go home, simply plug it into the wall and it will be charged for the next morning. It has a 5-degree adjustable backrest. This means that you can sit up straight even if the chair is on the floor. The headrest pops up as soon as the chair is lowered to a low enough position. The handles are adjustable in width and serve to secure the controls to the Human Hoist. Push forward and the chair will come down. Push the lever towards you and the chair will come back up. The motions are so smooth that you'll fall in love with this chair. Number 6. The Trestle Jack. It'll only take a few seconds. This makes the trestle jack safer for your drivers because they won't have to spend the entire day on the road changing a tire. It's time efficient, and you know how important time is in the trucking industry. Easy to store and deploy in a matter of seconds. They'll be under the axle in even the heaviest trucks, capable of lifting any type of truck because of the 3 distinct model types, able to support vehicles weighing up to 60 tons. Number 5. Raven MVP 7100S. The Raven MVP 7100S wants to keep up with the time. It's the lawnmower equivalent of a Swiss Army knife. Because of the small turning radius, the blade can be adjusted to 10 cutting heights and reach even the tightest turns. If you want to take it hunting, you can simply remove the blade with a few clicks. With a top speed of 17 miles per hour, you'll be at your favorite hunting spot in no time. The the best thing about the Raven MPV 7100S is the gasoline's engine also generates electricity, so you can ride it on either gas or electricity. Oh, and don't forget that this thing is a generator. It has 5 outlets allowing you to power your tools even when the extension cord is out of reach. Number 4. The Air Hydraulic Jack. The Air Hydraulic Jack is a special hydraulic jack designed by the Italian manufacturer Catini in the place of standard hydraulic jacks that are bulky, bearably movable, and do not support a large amount of weight. This one is unique. This is a hydraulic jack that you can move around like a trolley. It has wheels and a handle, so positioning it at just the right spot is as simple as pushing it forward or back, left or right, and despite weighing more than 160 pounds, you won't feel the weight due to the special design. We should mention that it can lift vehicles weighing 13 to 70 tons, lift a car 9.8 inches, and works with the push of a button. The entire thing is electrically charged, so you don't have to use a crank to lift the vehicle. Number 3. The Trailer Valet. This is a fair niche product, but if you own a trailer and dislike parking it, consider purchasing the Trailer Valet RVR, which is a remote control trailer mover. There are 3 different types of RVRs, each with a capacity of either 3,500, 5,500, or 9,000 pounds thanks to these special rotors. This thing has a 360-degree turning radius. You can use it on asphalt, grass, dirt, and gravel thanks to the heavy-duty Caterpillar treads. You'll enjoy parking the trailer in the garage now that it's so easy to maneuver. Number 2. Barstool Racer. Mike Ferguson is the man behind the design of the Barstool Racer. He's the guy who owns Big Chicken Hot Rods, and he thought it would be cool to outfit a bar stool with an engine and 4 wheels underneath it, resulting in a bar stool you can drive to a bar. With a 6.5 horsepower Predator engine, a custom exhaust pipe, hydraulic disc brakes, and a cup holder for your drink, even though you shouldn't be drinking and driving, and a Bluetooth stereo. Now that's what we call a bar stool. It has 4 wheels. You can try to balance it on 2 wheels or even tow away a 2-ton car with ease. Yeah, 120 pounds pulling 20 tons. If you like the designer, then you and your friends will get one of these and race around the block just like when you were little. The Barstool Racer is perfect for those who refuse to give into adulthood because the average homeowner is interested in so many different things. Number 1. The Miracle Panel Repair. If you despise having dents in your car, you should get them 100 instead of using solder to attach the hook that would pull out the dented surface. Now it's as simple as applying some glue to the hook with a flat surface, then inserting a heavy-duty metal rod between the holes and using the pulling lever to undo the dent just like you would on a plastic water bottle. Removing the glue pads is as simple as applying some of the special solutions in the squeeze bottle and then peeling it right off. The set comes with a black and blue glue gun, some glue sticks, and the special solution for loosening the glue is with this. And that's all for today, folks. Thank you for spending some time with us, and if you found this video interesting, please be sure to subscribe, hit the like button on this video, and hit the notification bell to know exactly when we post new videos which are as interesting as this one.